Hello, welcome back to Cam's Classics. Today I'm by myself doing just a little bit of work, not a whole lot, but I wanted to get a video out to you. From here forward, we're going to be doing 2 videos a week. We're just running into issues with parts and trying to get things together, and we're sorry, but we'd rather have a quality video than try and throw something together for you like this one's going to be. But let me show you what we got. So here on our Oldsmobile, we're still working on it. We got the top in primer, the back's in primer. So we're getting it ready for paint. We don't want to bore you with 4 videos in a row of just doing paint prep work, body work on this, getting it ready. We do live on a farm, and so right now our tractor is being used to do farm work, and we need it to move the cab in here for the truck, which is the next step of it. So instead of trying to throw videos together for you, just have a video, we're gonna take a pause, just do 2 videos a week, drop one off. We're probably going to drop Friday. We will have Friday this week. We do have that filmed, and so we will get that one to you, and then we'll probably just be Wednesday and Sunday. Sorry, but we're doing the best we can. We've been neglecting a lot of stuff. In fact, I'm about to go spray some weeds. So we've been neglecting other things, trying to keep this going. Again, this isn't our full-time job. We do it on the side. We do it when we can. And yeah, we appreciate you. Without you guys, we wouldn't be doing this. So we do really appreciate you guys watching us, and we look forward to continuing on. We're just running into issues with trying to get, parts and things going. And, once we get the Oldsmobile ready for paint, we'll have several videos probably of the painting process of that and getting it going, and then we can jump into things like the wiring, and we're still waiting on parts for interiors. We can't really do that, but we've got a lot of stuff that is being held up until we can get painted, and we just don't want to do a bunch of videos on paint prep work. We'll probably do one this weekend. The one for Sunday probably will be the paint prep work on this Oldsmobile, showing you how we use some Bondo, use primer, sand it out, block it out, getting it ready to go to the paint. But again, we're about 3 weeks from being to paint, and then we got to get it in. We have found the person that is paying it. We're excited for that, but it is what it is. We just don't want to bore you with getting that one ready for paint until it's done, till the farm work's kind of done. We're stuck on the other build. So thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.